So today I am starting from question number 9. Sorry, question number 8. Question number 8 have been solved or not? Question number 8 have been solved or not? I have solved. I have solved in your class. Oh, up to 10. Question number 10 I have solved. Okay, then I should start from question number 11. Okay, I think so. But 10 is not solved. Okay, UKT sir have solved. Oh my god. Okay. So I am solving question number 11 and question number 12. Okay. As UKT sir has solved, so I am solving the question number 11 and question number 12. Okay, that's why we'll complete our chapter today. And according to our syllabus, I think only one chapter is left in term 1 syllabus. Only one chapter is left in our term 1 syllabus. The first question number 11, class 8 maths. Okay, question number 11. Okay, go through the sums. That syllabus will be given in the website. That time you will check it. Okay, I'm talking about the by reference of previous year syllabus. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increased at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of the 2 hours if count was initially 5,06,000. Okay, so who have solved it? Chandranath, very good. Chandranath, very good. Okay, now I'm solving this. So initial count of bacteria. So initial count of bacteria, that is 5,06,000. Okay, that is the initial count of bacteria. And rate of increasing, we'll do it by the method of like compound interest. That should mean in another sums, if it is regarding the rupees, then it is the principal. And rate of increasing, that is 2.5%. that is rate of interest. Like here, rate of interest. Rosni also solve it. Very good, Rosni. Okay, and time in the question we have to find after 2 hours. What will be the count of bacteria? Okay, so time here, rate of increasing per hour. Okay, not per annum, not per month, not anything. Rate of increasing, that rate, the 2.5% per hour. Okay, and time, what will be the time? That is 2 hours. Got it, everyone? Any problem? Anyone? I hope you don't have any problem. So after 2 hours, we apply that formula. Number of it will be number of bacteria after, first of all, it is visible on your skin. Okay, 2 hours. Okay, after 2 hours, it will be 5,06,000. Sorry, 1 plus 2.5 by 100 whole to the power 2. Okay, whole to the power 2. Now students, if I remove the 2.5 by 100, okay, so just remove the decimal here and multiply here 10. Okay, now 25 4. So 5,000, 5,06,000, 1 by 1 plus 1 by 40 square. Next line 5,06,000, 1 plus 1 by 40. 40 is the LCM. 140. Okay, who have solved Oindrila? Very good, Oindrila. Yes, 41 by 40 square. Okay, 41 by 40 square. We know that 40 square is 1600 and 41 square is 1681. Just I am rubbing the first upper portion. Okay, now that is 5,06,000 into 1681 by 1600. 0000. Okay, so 5060 by 8. Now cut it by 2, that is 8, and it is 2530. Again it will reduce by 2, that is 4, and it will be, is it right, 1265. Now 1265 into 1265 into 1681. For the time savings of time, that I have calculate this one, that 1265 into 1681 by 4, that will be 531616. 531,616.25. Okay, that is your answer. So after 2 hours, the count of bacteria will be 531,616.25. Okay, any problems, students? Any problem, anyone? Yes. So approximate that 2.5 in the answer, you will see that that number is given approximately. Okay. Okay. Next sum, that is question number 12. That is the last sum. Okay, this sum is also very much important. Question number 12. Now question number 12. In the question number 12, it is given a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. It's depreciated. What does it mean, that depreciated? That word, do you know? Depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Find its value after 1 year. Okay. So depreciated means decrease. Yes, very good. Depreciated means decrease. Okay. So initially its cost price was rupees 42,000. Okay. Sir, I have solved two says, one is SI, another is CI. Okay. Now, first of all, students, in this question, cost price of the scooter, that is rupees 42,000. Okay, and depreciate, its value is depreciating. It means the rate of depreciation. That term is very much familiar to the class 11-12 commerce students. It's very much familiar term, that depreciation. Okay, rate of, whenever you will go in the 11 and 12 commerce, then you will familiar to that word, rate of depreciation. That is 8% per annum. Okay, must remember it, 8% per annum. Okay, and after 1 year, what will be its value? What will be its cost? Okay, So time equal to 1. Okay, now after 1 year what will be the what will be its cost? Okay, then after 1 year, its value will be, okay, I think, yes, its value will be that is, so that will be taken as in the compound interest formula, that is principal, that is rate of interest, and that is time. Okay, p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n. Okay, just match it. So in place of principal I will put, and same formula we will solve this question by using the compound interest formula. Okay, so the principal amount, that is 42,000, that is the present value. Here principal means present value. Okay, then 1 rate of interest 10 whole to the power 1. One thing, students, I have not written here plus or minus. What I will write here? Tell me, because it's a depreciation case. It is a depreciation case. Minus Roshni, Chandranath and Naina. Okay, 3 students have answer only. Remaining students are keeping, they remain silent in the chat. Ritesh, Soham, okay. 5 students, only 5 students have given answer. It's very bad. Bishti, Nikita, okay. Oindrila, very good. Onnesa, okay. Surajit, very good. So as it is depreciation case, it will be minus here. Got it, everyone? Now 42,000 1 minus 8 by 100, 1 minus 8 by 100, that is 92 by 100. Okay, is it 92 by 100? Now cut it by 4, that is 23 and 25. 42,000, that portion is visible to you? Yes. 42,000 into 23 by 25. If you remove it, if you reduce it, it will be 25, that is 1, 25, then 15, 17, 6, 70, 20, 8, and then 0. Yes, 0. Okay, 1680, it will be 1680, and 1680 into 23, 1680 into 23, that will be 1680 into 23. Okay, I'm calculating here 23, that is yes, 38,640. Very good. 38,640 is the, after 1 year its cost will be 38,640 rupees. Okay, so students, I have completed the exercise x 8.3. Okay, the next, just I will check the previous year syllabus, then I will start the next chapter in the next class. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding, if you have any doubt regarding these two sums, you can ask me now. I am giving you 1 minute, and I am also asking you that how are you enjoying the class or not? It is like a boring class. Okay, yes, Chandranath, just I am checking that answer. Amount, yes, as it is given in simple, as it is given in 1 year, that's why, and rate of interest also given in per annum, that's why you can do it the simple interest way. Okay, okay students, thank you, bye, see you in the next class. 5 minutes left, sir. Over? Not over. It Smith. Okay, students. Today's time is up to 10:30. So 2-3 minutes still we have left. Okay. So discuss one thing. Just I am giving a sums from my side. Solve it quickly. MCQ question. MCQ question. Okay. I will not give that one. Cost of. Okay. I will announce the first. I want to see who are the first students to give the answer. Cost of one cycle, that is 2000 rupees. Okay, and its depreciation rate is 20%. Okay, 20%. After 2 years, what will be its value? After 2 years, what will be its value? Okay, you are already answer 1600. Now I am checking that answer. So first 3 students are Chandranath, Ornesa and Surojit. Okay, so 20,000, sorry, 2000, 1 minus 20 by 100 whole to the power 2, 5. So 2000 into, that is 4 by 5 square, 4 by 5 square. So 20,000 into 16 by 25. But it is another answer. 2000. Okay. What is the right? 1600 it is saying. Okay, 1260. Some of you have answered 1260. Okay, now student, check it that 2000, 1 minus 20 into 5, 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5 square, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. If you reduce 2000 into 2000 by 25, that is 80, and 80 into 16, 80 into 16, then it will be 1280. Yes, 1280 is coming. So who are the first 3 students have given right answer? Chandranath wrong answer, Surojit wrong answer, Som. Brishti, Naina and Ritesh. Brishti, Naina and Ritesh. These 3 are the first 3 students who have given the right answer. First of all, I am astonished that giving that 1600. Okay, that is in simple interest. Chandranath. Okay, if you do these sums in simple interest way, you will get 1600. Okay, and one thing, students, in physics, I have completed that one video will have been uploaded on eye, the parts of eye and its function, and there's I have also discussed some defects of eye, that is myopia, hypermetropia, cataract, and also their correction. I think no topic is left there. I have discussed all the topics, and question answer of NCERT question answer is left. So I hope that light chapter is not in your term 1 syllabus. Okay, the question answer I will discuss later, and I will revise the term 1 syllabus of physics from the next class. Will you agree with that? Any problem? No, I have not checked, and no need to check. Okay, that will be given, that answers. Okay, so from the next class in physics, I hope that every topic I have discussed on physics light chapter, and anything, if anything is left, you can tell me. And I hope that from the term 1 exam, term 1 syllabus, I need to revise those chapters we have been solved by Ankita ma'am. Okay, so I think tomorrow we'll have the physics class. That class I will start a new chapter, actually term that have been already discussed by Ankita ma'am, that chapter. Okay, thank you students, bye.